morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine, children. Regarding the grammar part, we are discussing past continuous tense, and already we have completed one exercise, how to write the given word into the past continuous. So today the exercise given on page number 36, we are going to discuss second Roman. See children, this is the second Roman which we are going to discuss. Okay, is it clear to you, all of you? Now let us see the second Roman. We have to answer the questions. Was it raining yesterday? Was it raining yesterday? We can give yes or we can give no. So first I am giving yes. Yes, it was. Yes, it was raining yesterday. Yes, it was raining yesterday. Coming to our second question, children, they gave us, were you sitting in the class at that time? What they gave? Were you sitting in the class? Were you sitting in the class at that time? Here you can give again yes or no type answer. So what we can give, children? No. First one I gave yes. So second one no. I was not sitting. No, I was not sitting. I was not sitting in the class. In the class at that time. No, I was not sitting in the class at that time. Coming to our third question, children, they gave who was knocking at the door. You can give a boy was knocking. A boy was knocking at the door. A boy was knocking at the door. Okay, children. Coming to the fourth one. Let us check the fourth one, children. Where were you going yesterday? I was going to the temple yesterday, or anything, or market, anything you can give as your answer. I was going to the temple yesterday. I was going to the temple yesterday. Okay, children. So in this way, easily we can give the fifth one. Let us check the fifth one. Then we will go for the next Roman. The fifth one. Why was the dog barking? The dog was barking on because of the noise outside. Any answer you can give. The dog was barking. The dog was barking because of the sounds coming from outside. Sounds coming from outside. Once see, children, all of you, these are the 5 answers which I have explained to you. Once look at the board, easily you can understand. And the remaining 3 I am not writing on the board, just I will discuss with you. See children, what were you doing in the room? You can say I was writing my homework in the room. Next question, which book was Misha Reading. Misha was reading English textbook. How many boys were playing in the park? Question number 8, children. 10 or 20 boys were playing in the park, or there were so many boys playing in the park. See children, you have to be very careful when you are giving the answer for the question given to you. The tense of the question should be repeated here in the answer. You should not change the tense of the answer. Okay, whatever the question has been given to you, suppose the question has been given to you in the simple past, your answer should be in simple past. Question ఏ టెన్స్ లో అయితే ఉంటుందో మా ఆన్సర్ కూడా అదే టెన్స్ లో ఉండాలి. You can't change the tense, the formation of the tense in your answer. Okay, now let us discuss the third Roman frame questions to which the underlined words are answers. Means they gave answers, children. We have to frame the questions according to the given answers. Let us check once what is that. It's very easy, Nana. See children. Third Roman, the first one they gave the holy man was sleeping in a hut. Here in a hut was underlined, and when we are framing the question, they gave the question word where. So what you can give the question, children? Where was the holy man? Where was the holy man sleeping? Where was the holy man sleeping? Coming to the second question, children. The peon was ringing the bell. What they gave? The peon was ringing the bell, and they gave the question word who. So what we can write to the question form, children? Who was, question form, who was ringing the bell? Who was ringing the bell? Okay, question mark. Coming to the third question, third answer, children. What they gave to you? The boys were wearing red turbans. Whenever you are listening the lessons, children, keep textbook along with you so that easily you can understand. Next one they gave, the boys were wearing red turbans. The boys were wearing red turbans. The boys were wearing red turbans. Red turbans have been underlined, and they gave what? So according to our structure, we have to start the question with WH word. What were the boys sentences. Two more sentences has been given to you, children. See here, all of you, the fifth one. The baby was crying because it was hungry. Fifth one, the baby was crying because it was hungry. And they gave why. So we have to start the question with why. Why the baby was crying. Why the baby was crying. Next one, Anu was attending English classes. And they underlined English classes and question word which classes. So we have to start question with which classes. Which classes was Anu attending? Which classes was Anu attending? Now let us discuss, children, the exercise given to you on page number 37. Very easy exercise. Now see, children, the exercise given on page number 37. So the first one, first I read the heading. First, whenever you are going to write any question or any solutions for the maths, you have to understand the Roman heading first of all. See, children, put the verbs in brackets into the past simple or the past continuous. Means two compound sentence has been given to you. The bracket one you have to identify whether it is a past simple or past continuous. So coming to our first sentence. As I come to school, yesterday, as I come to school yesterday, I met my uncle. I met my uncle. Okay. So here they have been given us here come, and they gave the second part in the past simple. So the first part should be in past continuous. As I was coming to school. As I was coming to school yesterday. నేను నిన్న స్కూల్కి వస్తున్నప్పుడు. School yesterday. I met my uncle. I met my uncle. Okay. Now see, children, the second part sentence given to you in the past simple. So I have changed the first part into the past continuous. Now see, children, the second one. Second sentence. It began to rain. It began to rain just as we leave the house. As we leave the house. This sentence, this sentence. Here if you observe, children, begin, leave, two given. It began to rain just as we are leaving the house. According to the given sentence, you have to use whether the past simple or the past continuous. So it began to rain, or it was beginning to rain just as we left the house. Just as we were leaving the house. వెళ్ళేటప్పటికి వర్షం పడుతుంది. కమింగ్ టు ద థర్డ్ వన్, I make a cake when the light went out. I make a cake. I make a cake when the light went out. Light went out. So here children, I was making a cake when the light went out. I was making a cake when the light went out. Okay? Coming to the fourth one children, as all the boys stood up, all the boys stood up when the teacher entered the room. When the teacher entered the room. So boys under నిలబడ్డారు. Here all the boys stood up. What we can say children? All the boys stood up when the teacher was entering the room. All the boys stood up when the teacher was entering the room. Okay children, so in this way we have completed 4 sentences. Remaining sentences has been given to you. You practice. I'll send you the PDF of these sentences. You have to practice. Very easy. If one part has been given to you in the simple past, the other part you have to write in the past continuous. Tomorrow means in our next session of the grammar, we will discuss about the future continuous. Okay children, have a nice day all.